Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Today I'm going to shift from my usual health topics and address something that is rarely talked about on YouTube or elsewhere: the reality about being an indie author. Self-publishing through Amazon, KDP, and Kindle Select has opened doors for thousands of indie authors, but it's not a guaranteed path to success. While the platform offers powerful tools, visibility, and access to millions of readers, it also exposes authors to a flood of scams, misinformation, and predatory services. What success on Amazon KDP really looks like: the upside. Global reach. Amazon controls over 80% of the U.S. ebook market. Free to publish. No upfront fees to upload and sell your book. Kindle Unlimited KU exposure. Enrolling in Kindle Select gives access to KU readers and promotional tools like countdown deals and free days. Royalties. Authors earn 35% or 70% royalties depending on pricing and territory. The reality check. Highly competitive. Over 8,000 new books are published daily. Genre matters. Romance, thriller, and sci-fi dominate Kindle Unlimited. Niche genres struggle. Page reads versus sales. KU pays about 1/2 cent per page read, not per book sold. Kindle Select. You'll give away dozens to hundreds of books during free promotions with little to no return. Even if you incorporate a request for a review and a direct link in your book, the response is 0 to minimal. Marketing is essential. Without ads or outreach, your book will get buried in the search engine rankings and may never be discovered. Beware the common scams targeting indie authors. As soon as your book goes live, and during the subsequent 6 months, expect a wave of unsolicited emails, calls, and messages, many of them scams. Here's what to watch for. 1. Fake publishers and vanity presses. Claim affiliation with Amazon or use similar branding. Offer expensive packages for editing, formatting, and distribution. Often based overseas, India, Philippines, Middle East, and deliver poor quality work. Use multiple names and websites to appear legitimate. 2. Bogus reviewers and book clubs. Promise exposure through newsletters, book clubs, or podcasts. Ask for upfront payment with no verifiable audience. Use Gmail addresses and contact authors at odd hours, for example between 3 to 6 a.m. local time. 3. SEO and promotion scams. Claim to boost your Amazon ranking or visibility. Offer vague optimization services with no track record. No business website. Fake or no portfolio. Fake or no testimonials. 4. Fake publicists and copywriters. Pretend to represent media outlets or influencers. Ask for payment to pitch your book to journalists or bloggers. No LinkedIn profile, no company registration, no verifiable credentials. 5. Author and social media impersonators. DM you on Instagram or Facebook offering publishing help. Use fake profiles and stolen images. Ask for personal info or payment through PayPal or crypto. How to protect yourself. Verify every contact. Google their name, check for a website, look for reviews. Never pay upfront. Legitimate services offer contracts and transparency. Use author communities. Ask in KDP forums, Reddit, or Facebook groups. Check email domains. Avoid Gmail or Yahoo addresses for business inquiries. Trust your instincts. If it feels off, it probably is. Here are some smart strategies for indie authors. Focus on your craft. Great writing, editing, and cover design are non-negotiable. Build an email list. Own your audience outside of Amazon. Run Amazon ads. Start small. Test keywords and scale. Use Author Central. Add editorial reviews, a bio, and connect your books. Go wide, eventually. Consider platforms like Kobo, Apple Books, and Barnes & Noble for long-term growth. My final thought: self-publishing is empowering, but it's also a business. Success on Amazon, KDP, or any other website requires strategy, resilience, and vigilance. Don't fall for scams. Invest in your craft. And remember, the best promotion is a great book paired with smart marketing. Stay sharp, stay independent, and keep writing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Help me get the word out. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.